So how to get a digital or virtual card on Wise. So to go ahead and get a virtual card within Wise, it's very simple to do. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up the Wise app and you want to click on cards right at the bottom here. Then once you've clicked on cards, it'll open you up to this page here and you simply just want to select order a debit card. Then once you've done that, it opens you up to this page here and you simply want to select digital only. Then once you've selected digital only, you can then go ahead and select the type of digital card that you want. So of course, there'll usually be the standard one, which is green, and you can change the color from here. And sometimes, depending on when you're looking, they do sometimes offer some limited edition cards. So as you can see here at the time of recording, it's the World Cup. So naturally, it does give you the opportunity to order limited edition World Cup cards. So from here, just select the type of card you want. As it is the World Cup, we'll go ahead and select this England one. And once you've picked your card, you can go ahead and select create your digital card right here. Then from there, for your digital card to be activated, you'll then just need to go ahead and send yourself some money to your new Wise card. So I believe there is a limit of £20. So just make sure you go ahead and transfer that into your Wise account. You can change the amount right at the top here. You can also change the currency. And of course, you can always choose the method. So as you can see in our example, we're just going to send from Monzo Banking. Then once you're ready to send, you can select continue from the bottom. Then from there, depending on the method you chose, you may just need to authorize it from your banking app. But once you've done that, you should then be greeted by this sign to confirm that your transaction was successful. And there you have it. And you've successfully got a digital card within Wise. And if you go ahead and select view card, it'll then open you up to this page here and you'll now be able to use your virtual card within your Wise app, and it is as simple as that. And naturally as well, if you have iPhone, you can also go ahead and add it to your Apple Wallet. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.